Hello, I'm Brandon Lowery, and today is the Week 2 assignment, Wireless Design for Mobile Technology and Marketing. First, we're going to look at the cellular network that's in stadiums. The challenges that arrive at stadiums include voice, texting, and data internet for a large number of people. And typically what's happening now is you're not able to use voice, text, or data due to the large number of people trying to use the network. And what happens is the data gets bogged down of people trying to use social media networks, and different sites such as that, and then the voice and texting are no longer able to be used. Basically, what's happening is there's not enough capacity to handle the traffic, and it isn't cost efficient to handle all three networks. Do not work due to the overload, but it's not cost efficient for a cellular network to allow enough bandwidth for that to happen only certain days of the week, because in other times then it's not being used. We're going to look in the next slide at coverage and capacity. Basically, coverage or capacity is easily achieved, but both are needed for success. To give you an idea, coverage is with limited capacity is easily bogged down by multiple people. Your coverage is going to be there's a wide range of coverage. The entire stadium is covered, and if you're the only person in the stadium, you would have plenty of access to the network. Whereas with limited capacity, though, it's bogged down by multiple people. So once you get a lot of people in the stadium in that coverage area, then it's no longer works for anyone. And capacity with limited coverage only allows people in certain areas to use the network. And basically, there's a lot of capacity, but there's a limited coverage area. Basically, there would be Wi-Fi hotspots or data hotspots where you could go to and use your coverage, but or use the capacity. And a lot of people could use it in that area, but it would only work in those specific areas. Now, the solution to this problem, and after reading and watching the Cisco network videos, is the high-density Wi-Fi network. Basically, it offloads the data traffic from the cellular network. You're bypassing that cellular, the 3G or the 4G data from the cellular network. You're putting that on the high-density Wi-Fi network. It allows increased coverage and capacity for a high volume of users, such as a packed stadium. You're able to use other applications through the Wi-Fi network instead of your cellular data as well. The back office applications are boosted, such as ticket scanners, the POS services, such as at your seats. People in the stadium now are using social media. They're using the Wi-Fi network for social media, for uploading to Twitter or Instagram the pictures that they're at the game. The stadium-specific services that are used, that could be used from this. And the benefits that you receive in the stadium for changing it to the high-density Wi-Fi network. It allows POS sales to fans in their seats, and they don't have to leave the action. There's the ability to check into the stadium and allow friends to know about the event through social media, which it goes a long way to build your brand as a team. When people are out there, they're at the game, they're Instagramming your logo and the stands, the great time they're having on Twitter and Facebook, and all this is free marketing to other people, because they're able to see the things from the stadium, all because of your consumer at the stadium. There's increased interaction with fans over Wi-Fi. They can log into their fantasy teams to see their fantasy player stats. They can watch instant replays, interviews, the team stats streamlined in real time. The advantages are endless of using the high-density Wi-Fi network. I've included some references for this week, what I used to come up with the high-density Wi-Fi network for my stadium and my events, and looking at the advantages as to just using your cellular network. I hope you enjoyed the presentation on high-density Wi-Fi, and thank you.